How do I file a motion to enforce a parenting plan? Have you ever wondered what steps to take when a parenting plan is not being followed? If you find yourself in this situation, filing a motion to enforce a parenting plan could be the solution. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, ensure you have an existing court order that outlines the parenting plan. This is essential because your motion is a formal request for the court to step in when one parent is not following the agreed-upon custody or visitation schedule. Next, gather your documentation. You will need a copy of the original parenting plan court order. Collect any evidence showing the other parent's failure to comply. This could include missed visitation dates, text messages, emails, or any other proof that demonstrates noncompliance. Once you have your evidence, it is time to complete the required forms. You will need to obtain and fill out the specific motion to enforce forms that your court requires. These forms will ask you to describe how the other parent is not following the parenting plan. Be clear and detailed in your descriptions. After completing the forms, you will file the motion with the court that issued the original parenting plan. Make sure to include all supporting documents. Be aware that there may be a filing fee, but some courts waive this fee for parenting time enforcement motions. The next step is to serve the other parent. This means the non-compliant parent must be formally served with the motion and a summons to appear in court. This ensures they are aware of the enforcement request and have the opportunity to respond. Now, prepare for the court hearing. The court will schedule a hearing where both parents can present their cases. You will need to show that the other parent knowingly violated the parenting plan without a valid reason. If the court finds that a violation occurred, it can order remedies. These may include make-up parenting time, fines, or even attorney's fees. In more serious or repeated cases, the court may modify custody arrangements to ensure compliance. Additionally, some courts encourage mediation or alternative dispute resolution before or during enforcement proceedings. This can help resolve conflicts without going through litigation. If there is immediate harm to the child or parent, you can file an emergency motion, often called an order to show cause. However, these motions requiring a high standard of proof and are not granted easily. In cases of serious violations, you might also consider filing a motion for contempt, which can impose penalties on the non-compliant parent. Alternatively, a family access order can specifically address denied visitation. Filing a motion to enforce a parenting plan is a legal step to protect your rights and your child's best interests when the other parent does not follow court orders. It is often wise to consult with a family law attorney to ensure your motion is properly prepared and presented.